Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Orlando Pirates are heading to Spain for an intensive preseason tour running from 11 July to 25 July 2026, with the Buccaneers set to feature in 5 friendly matches against a mix of European and Middle Eastern opposition as they build towards the new season. The Betway Premiership Champions kicks off the tour with a clash against Cordoba on Wednesday, the 15th of July at Marbella Football Centre, 7 p.m. South African time, followed by Cadiz CF on Saturday, the 18th of July at the venue still to be confirmed. Then Pirates will take on Saudi Arabian giants Al Ittihad on Tuesday, the 21st of July at the Banas Football Centre, 7 p.m. also, before facing Las Palmas on the next day, on Wednesday, the 22nd of July, at the Marbella Football Centre at 7 once again. The tour wraps up with a fixture with another Saudi Pro League side, Neom CS, on Friday, the 24th of July, Estepona Football Centre at 7 p.m. South African time. Based largely around Marbella, the trip gives the Buccaneers a strong block of high-quality opposition to sharpen up ahead of the domestic season, while also offering the technical team a chance to assess the fitness level, combinations, and the squad depth in match conditions. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates' preseason fixtures? Are you impressed with them? Let me hear your thoughts. While Orlando Pirates' rivals Kaizer Chiefs, they've also announced their preseason friendly matches. Chiefs are set to play Glasgow Rangers, the Scottish Giants, on the 12th of July. And then on the 15th of July, they are set to play Saudi Pro League side Al Kholood. And on the 18th of July, they are set to play Elche from Spain. And on the 26th of July, they are set to play Scottland FC in the Toyota Cup at Royal Bafokeng Stadium. And then their last friendly will be on the 2nd of August against Lifofane FC in Lesotho. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these friendly matches that Kaizer Chiefs have? Are you impressed with the fixtures? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Mamelodi Sundowns teenager Siyabonga Mabena looks set for a surprise loan move to AmaTuks in a bid for regular first-team football. The mercurial talent suffered a setback at the club over the past 12 months due to injury and competition in the first team. Now he will be aiming to get back to form that made him one of the most exciting talents in South Africa. Sources within the Motsepe Foundation Championship side have confirmed that Mabena is one of several other DDC stars that could temporarily switch to the club. And in 2025-26 campaign, Mabena made only 6 senior appearances for Mamelodi Sundowns, with most of his appearances coming in the DStv Diski Challenge, where Masandawana finished second behind Orlando Pirates. AmaTuks have replaced head coach Kwanele Kopo with former Mamelodi Sundowns coach Michael Loftman, who was part of Rulani Mukwena's technical team during his stint at the club. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mabena being loaned to a second division side? Do you think that Mamelodi Sundowns are doing a good thing by loaning him there? Or do you think that they should have found a club in the Betway Premiership to loan him there for game time and also experience? Let me hear your thoughts down below. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.